Uwi na kami.
Mangyari po lamang na isuot ng maayos at face mask kabuuan ng ating lipad. Ito ay maaaring alisin o iba kung kakain, iinom o kung ayon sa bilin ng sabing group. Po lamang nabasahin ng LTO visit card o safety card.
Who did it, Mommy?
Yeah,
Who did it, Mommy?
good job.
Mommy? Houses. Houses.
Yeah.
Follow that.
Follow?
Follow that.
That he's following.
Yay! Let's steer. There.
This way. This way. Follow.
Say hi. You didn't say
This
hi.
way. Yeah. An apple. It's an apple neck. And the sky. It's really hot. Eat that. Eat that. Eat that. Eat that.
Finished.
Dad already done.
Already finished.
Ayan guys, finally nakauwi na po kami. Bester! Hi!
My car.
Ha?
It's my car.
It's your car? So ayan guys, finally balik Australia na kami. Grabe guys, super pagod Grabe talaga yung mga connecting flights namin. Grabe, nakakapagod. Ayan, prutas agad ang hinahanap ko pagdating sa Australia. Nag-stop agad kami sa supermarket guys para bumili ng blueberries. Uuwi pa kami sa aming caravan. Matulog. Super pagod. Ayan guys. Ito na po yung aming tahanan. Naming bahay na caravan. Kakadating lang po namin. Si David at si Sylvester nasa bahay na. So dahil may mga binili kaming pagkain kanina para bukas. Ayan, mga prutas lang talaga guys binili namin. Ayan, yung isa nagugutom na. Kumain agad ng bread with cheese. Tsaka, yes nga guys, saging, gulay, carrots,
I want cheese,
avocado, huh?
I want cheese, mommy.
You already have cheese. That's a big one. Is that yummy? And ito po yung apple. Lagay po natin sa fridge. Makalat pa dito guys dahil kakadating lang namin. May nilagay na pala si David na broccoli. Binili namin kanina. Ayan. Ito po yung bed namin. Grabe. Sarap na matulog guys. Super pagod yung dalawa nagugutom.
Is it yummy?
Yes, yummy. Hinahanap talaga to ni Sylvester. Nung nandun ako sa Siargao, grabe, hanap siya ng cheese.
Juice.
Huh?
And then juice.
Gonna make the juice?
Yeah.
Oh, dear. Alam niyo po guys, yung boses ko hindi pa rin na back to normal. Ever since nakapunta ako sa Siargao, grabe yung mga exciting ko sa mga kapatid ko. Shouting ng shouting. Plus, kumakain ng seaweed. Yung boses ko parang nawala talaga doon. And that's all for today's video, guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Matulog na kami, guys. Good night. Bye!